You've reached the fuel filter service interval and now it's time for a replacement. Before we walk through the steps, make sure your mower is parked safely on flat ground with the engine off, deck down, park brake set, and the key removed from the ignition. If the mower has been in use, allow time for the engine to cool before proceeding. Remember, before performing any maintenance on your mower, be sure to recognize safety info, understand safety signals, and be familiar with your operator's manual. Additionally, make sure to follow procedures on safe fuel handling. Start by lifting the hood and sliding a drain pan under the fuel filter. Now, take your pliers and slide the hose clamps away from the fuel filter. Once you've disconnected the hoses from the filter, raise the fuel lines vertically in order to prevent fuel drainage. Now, take your new filter and connect it to the hoses while ensuring the arrow on the filter is pointing towards the fuel flow coming from the tank. It is very important to install correctly in order to avoid damaging your engine. Lastly, reinstall the clamps and check for leaks before closing the hood. Refer to your operator's manual for additional information on replacing your fuel filter. As a reminder, the service interval schedule on the inside of the hood will indicate how frequently to change your fuel filter. To purchase parts, visit your local John Deere dealer or visit jdparts.deere.com. Thank you for choosing John Deere.